Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can catch the sunset Morpho in Heartopia. So you will need to be level 10 of the insect catching hobby. It's going to spawn around daytime as well as dawn, and it only spawns when there is a rainbow weather. And it will spawn in the Deer Tower and Forest Lake area. I also had to use a sense booster for it. Maybe you don't have to, but I just find it easier to catch insects using the sense booster. So just go around and start catching insects. That's what I usually do until I see it. And this is what the sunset Morpho looks like. Super beautiful. And yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.